channel Prat's World. So today it's grooming time. So if you are the person who is afraid of having hot wax burns and heat and looking out for a cool gel wax option, then this video is for you. You must check out this great product from Veet, which is ready to use half body waxing kit. Get salon smooth finish at your home at your convenience for just 99 rupees. It has 8 strips, which is enough for half body waxing, which covers full arms and full legs. Easy waxing at your home in 3 simple steps. Peel, apply and just pull.
Take out a wheat strip and peel it off. Now you can say goodbye to heat burns. No heat, no stress. You can enjoy lasting smoothness for up to 28 days. It comes with the easiest application. Apply strips in the direction of the hair. Now pull the strip in the opposite direction of the hair. It's just as simple as that. Just peel, apply and pull. That's it. Get rid of the shortest hair even from the roots up to 1.5 mm. Now finish it off with the finish wipes. Get salon smooth finish at your home for just 99 rupees. Better way to wax and stay smooth always. I must say, cool gel wax makes me relax, and this Veet cold wax strips is the better way to wax.
So that's it for today, guys. Try out this cool Veet waxing strips and comment your feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Prat's World. I'll be back with another video. Until then, bye bye.